There, YouTubers. I want you to meet my dog, Maggie May. She has her own YouTube page. You can go check it out if you like. She's a sweet gal. Right now she's pregnant. But the other day I noticed that she was scratching around her ears a lot. And we've had a dog that had really bad ear infections. And it was nasty. So we used to clean her ears with hydrogen peroxide. And when we did it, like literally foam came gushing out, like foam. So this is the hard part for poor Maggie May. She has no idea what's coming. And she's going to trust us on this. Right, Maggie? We're going to trust me? Okay, so what we're going to do for Maggie is different than a human. So I have a video on how to do this for yourself. But what we're going to do is we want to cover her eye. Alright, so we want to make sure nothing gets in her eyes. And if she's not seeing anything, then, you know, she's not going to be so nervous, right? Hey, Maggie? Yes. Okay, so I'm just going to cover her eyes a little bit. Now I want to get into her ear. Right? So I'm going to use her natural funnel kind of ear. Now she's getting nervous. She goes, hey, what's going on here? Okay, so I'm going to just open her ear, and I'm going to spray some of these in there. Now I can use drops, right? I could put this into a dropper bottle, and for the most part, dogs would prefer the drops because they don't like this sound. They don't like it. So I'm just going to give her a shot, and I just want to keep her eyes covered, and she's going to be kind of shocked the first time she hears this. Oh, she's doing good. So she has a big ear, much bigger than mine, so I gave her a few drops in there. Now with a spray bottle, and we got this spray bottle at the dollar store, and it's like really old. It's going on like, geez, way over 10 years anyway. So anyway, Maggie's doing really good now. Even though she has a little bit of redness in her ear, there's no sign of any foaming that I can see in there. It's just sitting there like water, which is super good for us. Good news for us. So she doesn't seem to have any kind of infection. And it looks good. No, Maggie, it's okay. It's okay. Now, she's going to want to shake as soon as she can. And that's the last thing that I want right now, is I want her to shake. Yeah, she's looking good. She's got lots of water and lots of hydrogen peroxide in there. And it just looks like a pool of water sitting in her ear. There's no foaming at all. So now, I can use a Kleenex. Hey, stay right there. Stay. No, stay right there. So I can use a Kleenex, and I can start to wipe her ear out. I really hesitate using Q-tips. Now, if you're going to use a Q-tip in a dog's ear, only go. See, there is dirt in there. Only go as far as you can see. Don't take the Q-tip where you can't see, because her eardrum is tucked in behind where you can't see it. So it's a good rule to stay where you can see it. See, she's got lots of dirt in there. She needs an ear cleaning. And so she doesn't have an infection, which is good. There's no foaming, no fizzing. But she clearly likes this. Like she's enjoying this. And she knows, see, she wants to smell it, because a dog can tell if she has an ear infection because she can just smell it. That's why every time I rub her inside her ears with my finger, she wants to smell my finger, because she wants to know if she's got any problems. And she could tell that. Imagine if we could be that good. So I see a lot of dirt on my Kleenex. Now I'm just going to grab I know, Maggie May, I know. Just going to grab a Q-tip, and she is totally trusting me. This is really nice. And I'm going to try to pull the ear, and I'm going to try to look in there. And my wife and I usually do this with a flashlight. So one of us holds a flashlight, and the other one kind of does the work. So you can see in her ear, it's pretty dirty, which is probably why she's been scratching. Okay. I'm only going what I could see. Okay, and she looks good. There. So her ears are clean, or cleaner than they were. Now, if I want, and I do want, I'm going to roll her over. I'm going to put her head down on the towel so everything leaks out. Oh, I know you're pregnant. I know. Okay, so I just let her ear leak out. Make sure it all comes out. See, she's fine. Okay, and at this point, I would do the other ear, because this is the one that's really got me concerned. It's it feels funny. It's got some hardness to it. Right here, right at the edge here, it's got some hardness to it. It's got some wax coming out. And see how she wants to scratch? Her leg is moving every time I touch this. And I can see it, it's all built up. Like it's hard, waxy stuff. So we haven't done her ears in I don't know how long. If I wanted to, I have a microscope downstairs. I can go and look at all this earwax that I'm digging out of here. And I can go see if there's any life on it, right? Any movement. So I'm just going to take a spray bottle now. I'm pretty sure this is all gone. I'm feeling inside her ear. And yeah, it's pretty dry. She wants to smell my finger, see? So now I'm going to take this towel. I'm going to cover her eyes. No, Maggie, we're doing this again. No, we're doing it again. Okay, there you go. It's okay. It's okay. Okay, there you go. Now, and just cover up her eyes. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to spray this in her ear again. And she totally is okay with it. Okay, now she's not because I really filled it up. No, it's okay, Maggie. It's okay. She wants to shake.
Maggie, stay.
No.
Relax.
I'm looking in there. It's okay, she wants to shake. I don't want her to shake. I know. It might sting a little. Oh, she shook. I know. It's okay, stay. Okay, so now I'm just going to clean her ear. And you can see how dirty it is. It's very dirty. So she really wants to go and shake her head now. This is the ear that was giving her problems. So I'm just going to clean the side there. And this is a very, very dirty ear. There we go. Oh. Yeah, she likes that. There we are. And it's looking much better in there. Much better. Now, I'm just going to get her flipped over here. Maggie. Just so I can take a look in there. Get some sun in there. Okay, so I'm going to just fold the ear back. And it totally exposes the whole inside of the ear. And I can see the wax has been coming out. See? So the ear has like all this buildup here on the fur. It's very waxy. So now, if you can pass me a Q-tip there. Okay, I'm going to show you how I clean the ear. Can you see this good? Mm-hmm. Okay, I only go where I could see. So I only go here. I only go where I can see into the ear. And I roll the Q-tip as I do it. Okay, so there you go. There's some dirt. And this is what I do for Maggie May. And she's just so wanting me to scratch her ear for her. But I won't. So I get all the crevices. And don't go down further than you can see. And right here at the bottom part here, that's where it really seems to build up. It doesn't matter what dog you have. Okay, so there you go. That's how. There we go. And there we are. I only go in where I can see. And I roll the Q-tip. So there you go. We have all kinds of dirt on the Q-tip. And a nice clean Scotty ear. So I'll take the towel and try to get some of that wax off. I know, Maggie, I know, stink. I'll try to get some of this wax off. There we are. Okay. Yeah, this ear is not red. This ear is red. So she was scratching a lot outside. So anyway, so she was scratching a lot outside. And the reason that she does that is she doesn't want to see us seeing her scratching her ear, because then I'll do this. I'll clean her ears. And she doesn't want me to do that, right? So they're very intelligent, these Scotties. Anyway, so I was cleaning Maggie's ear with just a towel. Just put the towel on my finger and I was just rubbing inside her ear. And she was loving it. And I was getting all kinds of dirt on the towel. See, it's all dirty. And so I'm just going to let her ear sit like this and give it a sniff test, see if it really stinks. And it did stink before I did that, and now it's not so bad. Actually, I didn't smell much at all. Yeah, I didn't smell anything at all. So it's all cleaned up. And if she seems to not get better, which she will get better, if she doesn't get any better, then what I'm going to do is I'll probably do some Colloidal Silver. And I'll have a video on that if you like. Yeah. Anyway, she's just a wonderful dog. She has her own YouTube channel. Anyway. Bye for now. Bye, Maggie. Bye.